Just found out that I am giving away a pair of Lynyrd, Skynyrd, and Sunday Best tickets again today on the show. Yay! Got me a little hyped up there. Got some music from Lady Gaga on the way train, and this is the Gem Blossoms right now. It's Adam hanging out with you till 6 o'clock. Lots going on this afternoon. Going to be a fun ride. Stick around. K-lite FM. Did you see the sky? Eaten by a Lion, my favorite line in that song. Train 50 ways to say goodbye. I haven't seen any lions lately, but, bears, they're actually having some bear problems in Ohio. In fact, in downtown Cleveland, there have been some black bear spottings right in the middle of town like that. That's crazy. Experts are saying thriving bear populations in Pennsylvania and West Virginia are pushing young male bears west into Ohio in search of their own territories. Does that mean that they're also pushing into Kentucky? That's kind of scary. I believe this story that I read a minute ago was maybe geared more toward Ohio readers, considering the bear sightings in Cleveland last week and all of that. But, if they're moving the bears to the west of West Virginia and Pennsylvania, we're west of West Virginia. I saw a bear one time, actually, here in East Kentucky. I was driving home from work, actually, one time on US 23, right here in Johnson County, and saw a bear cross the road. Wasn't a very big one, but it's actually the only time I ever saw a bear in my life. It was right here in Johnson County. Wow. Dan Hartman right now, I Can Dream About You. Salvation Army of Johnson County is now open, serving our community. 964 Broadway, Rock City Plaza, Paintsville. 10 to 4, Monday through Friday. If you have any questions or want to make donations, you can call 788-8794. They're continuing to do the most good for Johnson County, the Salvation Army. Listener Tina, I talked to her a little bit earlier, and her dog is missing. So we want to get her dog, Emma, back home. Emma is a solid white German Shepherd with blue eyes. She has a collar on with a pink dog tag on it. She's about 4 years old, and she's missing in the Grassy Oil Springs area. And listener Tina really loves Emma and wants to get her dog back. So if you've seen this dog, it's a solid white German Shepherd with blue eyes. You can call Tina at 297-5390. Again, that's in the Grassy and Oil Springs area, a lost dog. Keep an eye out for that. All right, so we have Hit or Miss on the way. I play 2 brand new songs here in just a couple minutes. See which one you like best this afternoon. Yesterday you voted for Boys Like Girls. That song is back on Hit or Miss this afternoon. We have some Ellie Goulding coming up, though, in the meantime. The very beginning and the very end of that song. This one's on Cheryl Lloyd, Want You Back. Totally epic. Epic, I tell you. Kira's requests, making up the K-lite triple play this afternoon, wrapping up with Natasha Bedingfield, Pocket Full of Sunshine, K-lite 94.7. I got this pair of tickets here to Lynyrd, Skynyrd, and Sunday Best. Going to be giving that away a little bit later this afternoon. Not really sure exactly how I'm going to go about giving these away.
My favorite DJ.
What's going on? You wanted to know about the Lynyrd, Skynyrd?
Yeah.
I don't know. How do you think I should give them away?
Oh, you should give it to me.
Well,
we all like saving money.
Yes. You going to be giving the tickets away today, you said?
Yeah, we're going to be giving it probably right after 5 o'clock or so.
All right.
But it'll probably be like a certain caller thing, like B-caller, whatever.
Oh, okay. After 5 o'clock?
Yeah, after 5 o'clock. What caller do you think I should pick?
I don't know. I'm going to try to win them, though.
I should make it caller. I done 7 yesterday. Should I do that again?
Yeah, 7. Caller number 7 would be good.
That would be a good number to use again.
Yeah. Yeah, caller number 7.
All right. Well, you might be if you just listen right after 5 o'clock, okay?
Well, I'll stay listening now.
It'll be right after 5 o'clock. It'll be your chance to win tickets to Lynyrd, Skynyrd, and Sunday Best. They're coming to the Expo Center in Pikeville on Thursday evening. Guess what? They have came out with something new.
What's that?
They have debuted. Are you ready? Can you do a drum roll for me? I don't really have a...
Can I do a drum roll?
Yeah, do it for me. I don't have a sound effect for that. They have debuted candy corn Oreos.
What?
candy corn Oreos.
No way.
Do you like candy corn?
I do.
Do you like Oreos?
I do. I wonder, what are they doing, the filling, or?
I have no idea. I wonder, it's probably something for Halloween with maybe orange Oreos or something.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
If not, they should do that. That would be so cool. Just after 5 o'clock, it's k-lite 94.7. Adam hanging out with you, and I told you that after 5 o'clock, I was going to have your chance to win tickets, a pair of tickets to see Lynyrd, Skynyrd, and Sunday Best at the East Kentucky Expo Center in Pikeville. People have been calling all day wanting to know, is it now? Is it time to call? Is it time to call? Is it time to win the tickets? It wasn't. And I said, right after 5 o'clock, we're going to do that. And now it's right after 5 o'clock. I promised I was going to make it very, very obvious when it's time to call to win tickets. So I gotta get my obvious on. A bunch of sound effects here. Okay. Now is the time to call. 789-6664. Right now is your time to call. I'm taking caller number 7 right now. That's 789-6664. Your chance to win a pair of tickets to see Lynyrd, Skynyrd, and Sunday Best at the East Kentucky Expo Center in Pikeville. They're going to be there on Thursday evening. Call me right now. Caller number 7. You get yourself a pair of tickets to the show on us here at k-lite 94.7. Once again, the phone number, 789-6664. Caller 7 right now.
Hello, what caller am I?
Yeah. Your caller number 7.
Thank you.
That's the right one, by the way. Don't hang up. I think you have a fan club in the background.
Yeah.
Do you? Let's see. Well, you're the right caller. You have won a pair of tickets. What's your name, by the way? Steven. Well, congratulations, all right? What's your favorite station?
k-lite 94.7.
Awesome. See you later.
See.
Cheerio and candy corn Oreos that they've came out with. Candy corn Oreos. Does that sound good to you? Beyonce, Irreplaceable on k-lite 94.7. Hey, we just heard we have a traffic alert to pass along. There's been an accident on New Route 3. This is in Martin County, just outside of Inez. From what I understand, it's between Deboard and Inez on New Route 3. That's all I really know, that there has been an accident there, and the road is closed and will be for some time throughout the rest of the evening until this scene can be cleared up. But this is an accident on New Route 3 south of Inez near Deboard. That's what I've heard right now. If you heard anything else, you can, if you want to let me know, it's 789-6664. But that's what we know. The New Route 3 is closed between Deboard and Inez, from what I understand, this afternoon due to an accident. So try to avoid that area. Matchbox 20 coming up after 3 Doors Down. This is Here Without You on k-lite. Matchbox 20, She's So Mean, k-lite 94.7. It is Tuesday afternoon. Adam here with you. I think someone's at my door there. I'll have to get that in just a second. But we want to pass along the word. Listener Tina sent us an email. She said that, or actually, I believe she called me. Regardless, a solid white German Shepherd with blue eyes, and she has a pink collar on. Her name is Emma, and she's about 4 years old. She's missing in the Grassy Oil Springs area. So if you know anything about the whereabouts of this dog, I'm sure Tina would love to have her dog back. And her number is 297-5390. Again, that's 297-5390 if you know anything about the whereabouts of this dog. So I got doorbells ringing, phones ringing. I'm busy around here, so we'll take a break, and we're back with Kira's request for Nickelback next. Hey, I wanna be a rock star. Nickelback, Rockstar for Kira on k-lite 94.7. It's Adam here, and just a second ago, I was getting ready to talk about American Idol and all these changes with the judges, and it got a little busy. I don't know if you heard, I had the phone ringing. I even had a doorbell ringing. So, but anyway, active evening. All right, so American Idol, though. I thought that this was all confirmed. I thought that we knew our new judges panel, but now there's this new story that just came out today over the wire and said that Randy Jackson's Idol Row is still up in the air. I thought for sure he was out. wasn't that like a big press release or something? But who knows? From what I understand, and this was something that we were all positive about last week, but I don't know about now. But I think that we're pretty sure Mariah Carey's in as a judge now. We know J-Lo and Steven are out. We thought we knew that Randy Jackson was out, but now we're holding that thought just for a second. We know that we've been told that Nicki Minaj should be in as a judge, so that would be Mariah Carey, Nicki Minaj. Even been told that Enrique Iglesias and Keith Urban are going to be joining the panel. That would be the four, in theory, right now that we're looking at to be on our American Idol judges panel. Nicki Minaj, Enrique Iglesias, Keith Urban, and Mariah Carey. That's a pretty talented lineup, you know, but it's not the same. It's never going to be the same as it was when we had the original Paula, and Randy, and Simon. You know, it's just never going to be the same show again. This is Adele. She says she didn't want to be famous. This is Rumor Has It.
Rumor has it, he's the one I'm leaving you for.
Adele, Rumor Has It, k-lite 94.7. It's Adam here. We're congratulating Stephen Golden. He was our 7th caller earlier this hour. Won himself a pair of tickets to see Lynyrd Skynyrd, Sunday Best, Logan Hall at the East Kentucky Expo Center. That show is on Thursday. And that's going to be at 7:30 on Thursday at the Expo Center. So Stephen Golden is going. There's another chance for you to win tickets tomorrow here on k-lite 94.7. I believe there's another pair to give away. All right, so that's it for me. Once again, I want to mention this for Tina. This solid white German Shepherd with blue eyes. Her name is Emma. She's a 4-year-old German Shepherd. She has a pink dog collar tag on it. On her, and she's been missing for a couple days now in the grassy Oil Springs area. And if you know where this dog may be, if you've seen this dog, let Tina know. It's 297-5390. That's 297-5390. 11 minutes away from 6. Jason Bowers up next. Adam out the door with Kelly Clarkson. After this, see ya.
Congratulations. You're going to